Hello, I'm Shaunna. I'm here to talk to you about the Make a Memory scrapbook kit and the 12 layout, not 12 page, 12 layout workshop that Mel Brady and I have put together. We ran this as a class, an in-person class during November. And the feedback we've got from people who missed out on attending the class is that they would really like the instructions to do it at home. So I'm just sharing some information about that with you today. So all of the goodies I'm about to show you come in that pizza box, as I said. You have a whole pile of really pretty pre-printed 6x4 cards. Some are just decorative elements, some could be used as journaling spaces. They're all just single-sided, so there's no decision making needed about which side to go. We have used some of them as whole pieces and others have been cut into strips or squares to use along the way. The kit does come with double-sided tape, so if you like using that for assembling your pages, there's a whole roll of it for you. I personally prefer using tape runner because I often need to jiggle things around and the tape is very permanent. The box does come with some printed instructions for some very simple layouts that you could make with the items in it. But Mel and I felt that we would like to step that up a little bit. So these 2 pages here we have used by cutting the strips apart. We haven't used all of the strips, so at the end you will have leftovers that you could make even more pages, but those ones you just put them under your trimmer and cut them apart. Some of them we've cut in half, some of them have been kept the size that they are. Okay. The kit also comes with 2 full sheets of these embellishments for tags and banners that we've used several of them. Lots of them are for journaling spaces, others just purely for decoration. We've layered some stickers and things on some of them and just use them as accents on the page. The colours in the kit are fully coordinated, so everything really does just mix and match. You'll see here that all of the printed papers are one-sided. They are on slightly heavier cardstock. That's because in the kit they try to have everything so that you could make layouts just with the kit. We are, however, adding ours onto white willow cardstock. Sometimes you get more than one of a print. This one is one that there's 2 prints of it, but they're actually separated in the pile. So you'll see there's lots of neutrals and then just soft colours to go with them. Ones like this, the pages are designed that bigger pattern doesn't overwhelm things, but on the whole the printed papers just blend with your photos. There's another punch out sheet that has decorative icons, and we have used every one of those icons in the layouts. And then last of all, but certainly not least, you get stickers. So because Stampin' Up! Is a global company, they've given us stickers in 3 different languages, so English, French and German. Obviously I've used the English ones, but you can see that if you wanted some different languages used, you totally could. And some of the letters, like these ones, they can be cut apart to make some different words as well. And then the last sticker sheet is leaves, and these are just really fine leaves. I'll show you on the pages that can be used as accents, and once again just that soft color palette. Alrighty, so that's all the goodies that come in the kit, and then we have added to that I think it's 11 sheets of paper, 2 white daisy, I keep saying that, white willow ones for things like extra photo mounts and journaling spaces, and then 9 two-toned colours, okay? So they just provide a contrast and helped to extend the range. So I'm going to quickly take you through what they look like. Let's lay out 1, 2, 3, 4, and you'll see that there is a variety of photo sizes. Look like this one works for a 5x7. Landscape, portrait, different numbers of photos on each layout, and each layout is designed to look quite different to all of the others. You'll notice that, you know, there's just the words, a few little accents. Here's an example of the pocket card being used as a decorative element to balance the punch outs over here. So, oh, sorry, I just nearly dropped my stack of pages. They're balancing precariously. Super easy to assemble. Sometimes this one, the angled cuts, we didn't have enough paper to mount each photo, so an angled cut gives the illusion of those sorts of photo mounts. This is an example of cutting up some of the little 6x4 cards along with some of the paper to make those go a little bit further. I've done this one deliberately to show you that sometimes we had to leave a gap. This gap should actually be under the photo, but I wanted to make it obvious that sometimes we've done some sneaky little things to extend it. These last 2 pages, when Mel was designing her pages, these just used up really the last of what was available, or what she thought was the last of what was available. So that gives you an idea of what they all look like. If you're interested in purchasing the handouts, you get one handout that has the cutting guides, and it shows you every piece, the stickers, the words, the 6x4s, the 12x12s, how to cut them, and where, you know, how to number them. And then the second handout gives you the photos of the page placements. Click the link and go ahead and find out how you can order the handouts so that you can make this at home. Thanks for watching.